So this is going to be the shortest guide to AI that you'll ever need. We're going to jump right into it, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you do need to understand is that AI itself is a very broad term. It's kind of like referring to the internet. So one thing that you need to understand is you can use the internet for many things, right? You can use the internet to check an email, maybe do online courses. You can use the internet to watch videos. It's the same concept when you think about AI. AI is a broad term, but when you get into AI, you can find that AI tools are specialized. So like with the internet, you go to a specific site to answer your emails, or you go to a separate site to watch videos, right? Same thing with AI. You can use one AI tool to create content and another AI tool to manage the content. So the first thing is we need to understand what AI is. It's basically your digital helper at your fingertips. It's ready to tackle difficult homework questions, give you answers about the world. It can boost your ideas. That's what artificial intelligence offers to you. So to be able to integrate AI into your daily life, you can use chatbots or the educational apps that offer you clear, detailed explanations on literally any topic that you can imagine. AI can be like having an on-demand answer rather than feeling stuck on a problem or spending time clicking through countless links. You just ask AI for a step-by-step answer and it'll cut straight through all the noise and give you exactly what you're searching for. AI will search the entire internet and provide direct answers to your questions rather than the old school method of Googling it and then having to scroll through, maybe go to the second page to find what you're looking for. So for students, using AI, you can study smarter, not harder, to enhance your learning. Now, realize that I said enhance because AI can be utilized in an academic setting to improve learning and productivity, but it needs to be implemented effectively. So as a personalized learning and tutoring tool, there's AI-powered tutoring systems that can offer step-by-step explanations on complex subjects like math, science, and language arts. That means that it can help you with your topic exactly when you need it, and it's available 24/7. It can assist with research. For academic research and studying, AI can summarize large volumes of information, and it'll highlight key points in articles and textbooks, and it'll even suggest further readings on a subject to expand your knowledge. This helps to streamline the research process and makes it easier to digest complex material. AI can even assist with writing and editing support. And get that I'm mentioning it'll support your writing and editing. The AI tools can help you draft and also proofread your essays. By offering grammar and style suggestion, it'll generate outlines for you, and it can even include citations. This helps to improve clarity and polishes your writing before you submit it as an assignment. For data analytics, subjects that include statistics, economics, or science, AI can help to analyze data sets. It can even create charts and interpret results, which will not only save time, but it also enhances your understanding of complex data. AI can also help with organization and time management. There's AI-powered apps and tools that can manage your projects, set up reminders, and organize study schedules by prioritizing the tasks and suggesting the most effective ways to tackle busy academic workloads for you. And yes, AI is very helpful, but there is risks for students that become overly dependent on the AI for their cognitive tasks in school, which can lead to certain challenges. Using AI to generate an entire essay or to complete your assignments for you can lead to plagiarism, which can undermine the true learning aspect of academics and potentially result in severe academic consequences. Don't use AI to cheat. Misusing AI during tests or quizzes compromises your academic integrity, can deprive you as a student in the essential learning experience. If you don't have the knowledge in here and you're just relying on AI to give it to you, you're not understanding the concepts that you're supposed to be studying, which can lead to AI blindness or accepting AI outputs without verifying it. Since AI-generated information is fallible, Taking it at face value without any critical evaluation can give you a lot of errors or lead you to misinformation that will get your conclusions off course. And of course, relying heavily on AI will reduce your critical thinking skills. Excessive reliance on AI will impede the development of essential problem solving skills and critical thinking abilities, especially with students starting to use AI at a younger age nowadays. AI can be very beneficial as an educational tool. It can serve as a tutor, a research assistant, a writing coach, or organizational aid. And students should use it ethically and supplement their learning with it, not replace their learning. To maintain their skills and academic integrity, using AI is going to help them, not complete the work for them. Remember, AI should be a learning partner, not a shortcut to bypass your understanding. Don't cheat yourself. Which brings us to AI for professionals. So there is ways to use AI, of course, to enhance your productivity and innovation in whatever career path that you're in. So here's some examples for the ways that AI can help with certain career niches. So for a nutritionist, imagine having a smart assistant that calculates a client's macros in seconds. Using AI, now a nutritionist can quickly generate personalized diet plans. All they have to do is input the client's data, their age, weight, activity level, maybe any allergies, into a specialized software, and the tool will process that information and it'll provide a detailed nutritional breakdown, which saves the nutritionist hours and improves their accuracy. Imagine if you are a diet coach. Now you can just plug in all of that into an AI tool and it'll spit back at you exactly how many grams of proteins, how many carbs, how many grams of fat, and it'll even build a diet plan for you for that client like that. So what used to take hours or even days, you can get done in an afternoon. Imagine how many more clients you'll be able to help now that you're able to use the AI tools to do the bulk of the work for you. All right, and for truck drivers, I don't mean self-driving cars. Consider the daily challenges of navigating the long routes. There's AI tools out there now that offer real-time traffic updates. They'll even suggest the alternate routes and factor in the weather along your route. The tools can even check if the roads are truck and trailer compliant, which will alert the driver to any low bridges or hazardous routes. Because sometimes using Google Maps doesn't work out if you don't have a truck map, or if your truck GPS is telling you it's going to take you 2 hours to go 20 miles, but maybe there's an AI tool that can analyze another route for you to be able to take you through, and you can get there in an hour rather than 2. This ensures both the safety and efficiency, allowing drivers to plan their journeys with confidence. And for the teachers, with AI-driven platforms, teachers can get personalized lesson plans, which will help them save time. It can also assist with grading on tests and essays, and even auto-generate quizzes for your students. There's even dashboards available that can help you track your students' progress in real time. Virtual assistants and chatbots are there to answer routine questions, and automation tools can streamline tasks like attendance and scheduling. All this means that there's less admin work for the teacher to do and more time for teachers to make learning more fun and engaging for their students and to focus on the other things that really matter. So something that's a little less technical, maybe a landscaping or power washing business. AI can be a complete game changer for a lawn mowing or power washing company today. Imagine using route optimization tools that figure out the quickest, most fuel-efficient paths for your crew, which will save you both time and money. AI can also manage your scheduling by predicting the best times to work around the weather and set out automatic reminders to your clients and even help with booking appointments for you. That way you're not stuck with endless phone calls and manually having to plan out your days. Some key takeaways with AI is definitely going to be data analytics. AI will process information faster than we ever can, but using that processed information, it'll help us to be able to make quicker decisions, saving us time and effort. Another key takeaway is task automation. By eliminating our repetitive tasks, AI will allow professionals to focus on their strategy and build their personal client interaction relationships rather than continuously having to do the same thing over and over again, like setting appointments or confirming appointments. AI as a personal assistant. Now, this part is for parents and your everyday life. So, picture this. If your toddler is up sick in the middle of the night and you're anxious about their symptoms, AI powered health advice apps can help answer nervous questions quickly. By inputting symptoms, you can receive advice and potentially next steps to follow that can help you to rest easy and know what to do next. As parents, we all worry. I personally have asked AI all sorts of questions. What is the best diaper rash cream I can buy? And it'll list out different products and tell me the benefits of each product. I've asked how much food my baby should be eating at whatever stage she was at, and when is the best time to teach potty training. I can't tell you how many times I have asked AI the most ridiculous questions when it comes to parenting because there's just so much information out there that you can watch one video that says this product is good and then another video will say that the exact same product is bad. So when you ask AI, it'll analyze all of the information out there for you and it'll help you to make your best informed decision. AI is the newest way to get actual answers from your searches, and if you want articles to back those answers up, AI will provide you with links that you can click to read on or even videos to watch about what your mind is wondering. Now, AI is a helpful tool, but it should never replace professional advice, especially in health matters. Always consult a doctor or seek professional medical advice for serious instances. AI-powered tools can help analyze immense data sets in minutes. It'll uncover trends and provide insights that would take you weeks to figure out manually. This means you can fine-tune your strategies and make informed decisions faster than ever. AI is helping with enhancing productivity. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft emails, proposals, reports, and even brainstorm ideas all at lightning speed. Instead of wasting time on repetitive tasks, you can focus on high-level strategic decisions that can progress your business. Beyond work, AI can fuel your personal creative projects, whether it's writing, music production, or digital art. AI tools can provide inspiration and technical support, which will allow your personal projects to reach new heights without the steep learning curve. Imagine using platforms like DALL-E to create unique visuals for presentations and marketing materials or social media content. AI can help you break the mold by producing out-of-the-box ideas, ensuring that your work stands out from everyone else. Now, we always want to be responsible and use AI ethically. Don't over-rely on AI. AI should support your own thinking, not replace it. Always verify any AI-generated information with trusted sources and use your best judgment to assess the quality and relevance of the information that AI is providing you. Embracing AI can transform your everyday tasks, like making learning easier or working more efficiently, making life less stressful. The key is to integrate these tools responsibly. With AI as your partner, you will have more time to focus on creativity and critical thinking and building meaningful relationships both personally and professionally. Remember, AI is here to empower you. Let it be a catalyst for innovation in every aspect of your life.